Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of creating an employee attendance sheet using Google Sheets. Keeping track of your employees' attendance is crucial for efficient workforce management, and Google Sheets provides a powerful and accessible platform for this task. So let's get started. I have a small database here, and I have created a small dashboard. When I enter the ID of employee, I will get the name, total present days, and total absent days. So to create like this one, I will just copy all the table. I will not start from zero because it will take a lot of time. So copy, create another database, enter. So Ctrl V to paste the table here and make some adjustment here. Right, select all, then choose any color you want. So I will delete this to start from zero to show you how to do it. Okay, this also. All right, okay, here type Sunday, enter, click on the cell and drag to apply to all the cells, as you can see here. Select all the cells, then go to insert, drop down, here type P for presence, and here type A for absent, and choose the color for absent, red one. For absent, choose green one. All depends of you. Close this, as you can see here. Choose this one and give it color green, this red. So let's type a formula here. So type equal COUNTIF and select all this. Type E4 on your keyboard 3 times, comma, then select the cell for present and fix it with E4 twice, then close parenthesis, enter. As you can see here, I have one present, so one present here. To apply for other cells, just like it like this, and the same for the column absent. So as you can see here, 2 absent, 2 present. All right, select all the cells, then merge, go to border, choose this one, and the font color, and type here week 1, center, okay, bold, week 1. Now go to view, show grad line. All right, so now let's create a small dashboard. Create another sheet and name it dash 2 Then go back to the sheet and copy this, copy, and paste it here, Ctrl V, and you can adjust this. Alright, select all these cells and delete just for me. Okay, so now I will show you how to do that. Okay, right click here, then add equal sign, write VLOOKUP. So I will search for the ID of the employee. I will choose this cell, then comma, then go to database and choose all the table from here, then comma. So here I'm looking for the name of the employee, so the names are in the column 2, so I will type here 2, then comma, then false, or just type 0, close parenthesis, enter. As you can see here, I have an error. So to solve this, first of all, I will create a drop-down list, click here, then go to data validation, add rule, drop down from range. So here select, go to database and select all the ID like this, then OK, done, and close. Go back to the sheet, choose any ID here. As you can see, EB1 1000 John Smith, the first one here. Alright, so now I will create another formula for present and absence. Click here, then equal sign VLOOKUP, always I'm looking for the ID. I will choose the cell, comma, then go back to database and select all the table like this, then comma. So for present, in which column? 1 2 3 3, I will type 3 here, then comma, false, or just type 0, close parenthesis, enter. The same for absent, equal sign VLOOKUP, cell G4 for the ID, comma, go to database, then select all, then comma, then which column for absence? 1 2 3 4, so 4, comma, and add 0 or false, then close parentheses, then enter. So now I will hide all the grid lines, so go to view, show grid line. Alright, go to database, let's choose another one, for example Olivia Anderson, present, absent, present, absent. So I will go back to -2 EB 1007. As you can see here, Olivia Anderson, 5 days present, 2 days absent. So to change the color here, you can choose any color that you want. And here you have it. You have successfully created an employee attendance sheet in Google Sheets. This powerful tool will help you efficiently manage your workforce and keep track of attendance records. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any AutoTeach related topics you'd like us to cover. So leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Google Sheets to streamline your attendance management process. Stay tuned for more exciting test videos and we'll see you in the next video.